So I just switched out my Intermatic pool pump timer, and I wanted to share with you how easy that really is. So it originally comes in a box, and you can just pop it out of that box by just pressing on this little tab up here. And then once it's out, this is what you actually get. And then you have a couple of wires, but you can just copy how the wires are already set up. If you remove this panel, you just look at how they're already set up, and then just do a little bit of screwing, and you're ready to go. You have these little clips. We get an on clip and an off clip. And you just set these by unscrewing them and screwing them back in to where you want it to come on and go off. And then to set the actual time, you just pull this and twist, and you're like, hey, it's 2 o'clock. And then it'll just push, and then when it gets to the on tab, it turns your pump on, and it gets to the off tab, it turns it off. But that's really all there is to these. They look intimidating when they're like this, but once you have this, it's just a very simple mechanism. And as you can see, this stops spinning. So when these little gears stop turning, it's cooked. And you'll need a new one, but super easy to switch out. Takes like 10 minutes. But yeah, that's about it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.